Hey everyone, welcome back to Newman Tech Breakdown. Today we're checking out the Nubia Z60 Ultra, a flagship phone with some serious specs. Let's see if it's worth your money in the US. The Z60 Ultra looks and feels premium with a sleek glass body and metal frame. Its AMOLED display is vibrant and smooth, perfect for gaming or streaming. Plus, it comes with Gorilla Glass protection for durability. Inside, it runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with up to 16 gig of RAM. That means multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps run smoothly with minimal lag and no overheating. The camera setup is impressive. 200 megapixel main sensor, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. Photos are sharp, colors pop, and low light shots are solid. It also shoots 8K video with AI stabilization, making it great for content creators. With a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, you get a full day of use, and 120-watt fast charging fills it up in around 20 to 25 minutes, super convenient for busy days. In the US, the Nubia Z60 Ultra is priced between $699 and $799, depending on storage. Considering the performance, display, and camera, it's a solid alternative to pricier flagship phones. That's a quick breakdown of the Nubia Z60 Ultra. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews here on Newman Tech Breakdown. Thanks for watching.